Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1960 Chevy half-ton custom pickup truck. Now of course when you look at this truck you may be wondering why it does look like that. Not talking about the body but morely talking about the wheels. Before we get into it though, let's start with our basics. It has the nice, I want to call it maroon exterior. As you do notice, it does have the Blazer or Trailblazer style wheels on it. That's because this restoration was not just made to have an old factory truck, but in fact was made off of a, I believe it was the early 2000s Blazer frame chassis. That's why, as you can see, it has the nice riding profile. And if you were driving this truck tonight, you would actually say to yourself, man, this is the nice cruising truck I've ever been in my life. But other than that, as we move on to the inside, as you can see, starting off with the clusters, you can see it actually has the newer Chevy style cluster. Same for the shifter, customized seat, customized interior. As you can see, even there we have a Jensen style radio, controls for our vintage air. The column is also included for our newest style truck. Power windows, still having the old school vent windows. And of course, as you look underneath the engine, you can see it does have an upgraded engine. I wouldn't say upgrade, but more of the lines of a newer truck. This is definitely a restoration that took over a year to build. Of course, you will see in our write-up, and is something that could ride that basically in 2025, basically keeping up with the traffic. Of course, as I give it power now, you can hear you have no hesitation with daily driving, especially competing with the new world, not having respect for classics. This one is definitely one that does belong in the world today. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so just stay tuned to see the underneath.